All functions, all sizes. The modular versatility of the AS series maintenance units make them perfect for any application. A comprehensive range of optimized air preparation technology. With the unique product configurator, you get results quickly and easily online. Configured online for your application. You can exchange individual elements or retrofit expansions anytime, even when installed. This makes expanding the maintenance units quick and efficient. Even components of different sizes are easy to connect. Air supply is possible from both sides. The modern industrial design and user-optimized operation are exemplary. AS is a sophisticated product, optimized over time. Our patented filling solution lets you refill the oil reservoir during operation. In addition to the basic functions, there are further options, such as gentle system startup with a start valve. If your application requires an especially heavy-duty system, our NL series with metal housing is the ideal solution. All our maintenance units feature a long service life, as well as ATEX approval for reliable explosion protection. Clean, reliable, and easy to operate. AVENTICS maintenance units for all pneumatic applications. Efficient compressed air preparation ensures safe, lasting applications.